Long lines of trucks were stuck at the Ukrainian-Crimean border after Crimean Tatars launched a blockade of food shipments into the peninsula. The blockages hit the Chonhar and Kalinchak checkpoints on the Ukrainian side of the border on September 20th. The action was also backed by Ukraine's ultra-nationalist Right Sector Group. Blockade organizers want Ukrainian companies to stop trading with Crimea as a way to protest the peninsula's annexation by Russia last year. The head of the Crimean Tatars' self-governing body, the Majlis, vowed to keep the blockade going until Russia returns the territory to Ukraine. De facto Crimean leader Sergei Aksyonov said the blockade would have minimal impact because the peninsula gets less than 5% of its supplies via Ukraine.